Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. I am Gursimran, and in this video I am going to talk about another area which you people often face problem with, that is Retell lecture. See, Retell lecture, of course, it is a recording. You listen to it, you jot down the points, and then in given like 2 or 3 sentences you just summarize it. Like summarize, you just have to give a simple gist that what the whole lecture is about. Okay, so now let me tell you what all things you need to keep in mind. सबसे पहले वो ये, when the recording has started, do not start writing the moment speaker says something, okay? Because sometimes the Retell lecture is having a very dramatic start, okay? I'll tell you an example. If the speaker is saying, okay, as we discussed about the importance of food, now I'll be talking about the importance of salt. और हमने क्या किया? We just started writing straight away. So our subject will be importance of food. The lecture was about importance of food, jabki lecture was about importance of salt. All right, and then when you are jotting down the points, try to make a flow chart that what information followed what. And last, if you are not able to understand the recording, please take help of the image which is given along with the Retell lecture. This will help you a lot. Thank you.